Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to change your password on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the mobile app. If you've been thinking about updating your login details for extra security or simply want a new password, this quick step-by-step guide will help you get it done in just a few minutes. The first thing you'll want to do is open the X app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top corner where your profile picture appears and tap on it. This will open your menu. From here, scroll down to find the option labeled Settings and Privacy, and go ahead and tap on that. Next, you'll see several categories inside the settings. The one we're interested in is called Your Account. This section contains all of the personal details about your profile, and most importantly, it's where you can manage your password. Tap on Your Account to continue. Inside your account, you'll find an option called Change Your Password. Tap on it, and this will bring up a secure screen where you'll need to enter your current password first. This step verifies that it's really you who is trying to make the change. After that, you'll be asked to create a new password. Type it in carefully, making sure it's something strong and unique. To be sure everything is correct, you'll need to confirm your new password by typing it in again under the confirmation box. Once all three fields are filled out, your current password, your new one, and the confirmation, look for the button that says Update Password and tap on it. If everything checks out, your password will officially be changed. And that's all it takes. In just a few taps, you've updated your password on X, keeping your account secure and up to date. It's always a good idea to refresh your password every so often to stay protected online. And now you know exactly how to do it right from your phone.